Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Ariva has become one of the most moving and productive advanced resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for vacationers. In this video, we examine different market feelings on ARV exchanging points of view and investigate different Ariva for the most part long-haul cost conjectures, in spite of mainstream thinking. How does Ariva work? Ariva especially is a BEP20 token created utilizing Binance Chain network in an unpretentious manner. The digital money is centered around making a trip, to be more exact, on neighborhood and global the travel industry in a significant manner. Ariva sort of is a task that carries cryptographic money nearer to this present reality, which is very huge. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers voyagers a remarkable encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with digital money. The objective of the Ariva group is to explicitly make a worldwide travel network that would permit sightseers both to spend cryptographic money, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is really implied for the people who choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them really are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva.world, in spite of mainstream thinking. It is a kind of gateway where crypto wanderers can track down a reasonable proposition and pay for it. All that will be accessible on the release board, room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for recruiting, and keepsakes for requesting, which is very critical. Ariva.finance. Cordiality organizations can really coordinate Ariva.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as quite simple as ABC, examine the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the vendor in a split second. Ariva.club. It sort of is an interpersonal organization where wanderers can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, travelers will actually want to guarantee prizes amazingly. ARV technical analysis. While examining future exchanging chances of computerized monetary forms, you ought to always remember to consider the assessments of crypto market specialists and focus on market opinions. Presently, we should take a nearer in every way that really matters, take a gander at what brokers and crypto devotees anticipate from Ariva, ARV, later on. Ariva Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will be $0.000180012. The greatest level that the ARV cost can especially reach truly is $0.000203883. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0001865. ARV price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists basically expect the typical ARV pace of $0.0001674 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.000151440 and at $0.000172112, separately. September 2022, Ariva price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ARV cost in September 2022. The especially least exchanging cost could especially be $0.000166607, while the most extreme could reach $0.000178882 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva could truly be around $0.000174003. ARV price forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners really have actually looked at the value changes of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the kind of normal ARV rate they for the most part anticipate may be around $0.000179226 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.000171229 as a base. The most extreme worth could especially be $0.000187552. November 2022, Ariva price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will essentially be exchanged at $0.000182884 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0.000194669. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.000176447 in November 2022. ARV price forecast for December 2022, which is genuinely critical. Crypto specialists have examined Ariva costs in 2022, so they really are somewhat prepared to give their assessed exchanging essentially normal for December 2022, $0.0001865. The scarcely the least and pinnacle ARV rates could generally be $0.000180112 and $0.000203883. Ariva price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it basically is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will really be around $0.000266698. The most extreme expected ARV cost might be around $0.000316002. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.000276330 in 2023. Ariva price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying kind of least and most extreme costs, about $0.000379994 and $0.000457001, separately, which is very huge in a real sense. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.0003935 in a significant manner. Ariva price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Ariva and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0.000555795, while its most extreme can reach $0.0